Dear students, Assalamu alaikum. I hope you are all well and enjoying the good state of health with the grace of Allah Almighty. Allah Almighty always blessed upon you and your whole family members. Dear student, please take out your English course book and open the page number 148. Dear student, from page number 148, part A, read the words below with double the letter R to double R for a verb of more than one syllable when the stress does not fall on the first syllable. This is usually done for verbs that end with ing. Base verb, refer, occur, defer, deter, infer, concur, and with the addition of ing become the word refer to referring, occur to occurring, defer to deferring, deter to deterring, infer to inferring, concur to concurring. Part B, fill in the blanks with the correct words from the table above. Fill in the blanks with the correct words from the table above. Number 1, Jerry is deferring his trip to Africa for a year so that he can save up more money for the journey. Number 2, the children are inferring the meaning of the paragraph with clues given in the sentences. It is strange that the monsoon is occurring earlier this year. It is strange that the monsoon is occurring earlier this year. Number 4, when you said uncle, were you referring to your father's brother? When you said uncle, were you referring to your father's brother? Number 5, the barbed wire fence is deterring the prisoners from escaping. The barbed wire fence is deterring the prisoners from escaping. Dear student, turn to the page number 149. Listen to each paragraph. Tick the statement that shows the main idea. Dear student, listening from the CD which provide the publishers with the book. When you listen the first paragraph, the main idea, then tick the main answer. Paragraph number 1. Number 8, different ways of suffering SEM4. Number 2, reason for using SEM4. Dear student, first paragraph is related to when you listen from the CD. The first paragraph is related to number B, reason for using SEM4. Paragraph number 2 also related, part B, the possible causes of diarrhea. When you listen the paragraph, the paragraph number 3 is also related from part B, steps to make jelly. Take the part B. And paragraph number 4 is related part A, parts of a storybook. Dear student, turn to the page number 150. Writer wants to improve your thinking, speaking and listening and observing skills, improving speaking skills. When we are about to end a conversation, we use the following phrases. When we end our conversation, we use the following phrases. It's been nice talking to you. See you. Bye. Dear student, read the dialogue between Kevin and Rex, two persons. Read carefully with the presence of your parents, guardian and tuition teacher or tutor, and improve your communication skills, speaking skills. When you start your talking conversation, start with hello, and when will you end the talk and call the see you or bye. In this talking, writer teaches you the manners of the talking. Dear student, you are in homes. Imagine you have new neighbors. Initiate a friendly chat with them. Remember to find out their names, age and hobbies. Ask them what is your name, how old are you, and what is your favorite things or favorite hobby. Offer to help them. May I help you for working, for homework, for some else work. Close the conversation with, it's been nice to talking to you. Sorry, but I have to go now. See you. Bye. I will catch up with you later. I will catch up with you later. And the conversation with these manners words and routine words. Dear student, from page number 151. Dear student, page number 151 is related to writing, creative writing, instructions. The writer gives you some instructions when you write an article or a story, what things you have in your mind. When you are writing an article or a story, it is important to follow a systematic process. The writing process includes number 1 drafting, number 2 writing, and number 3 editing for spelling and grammar mistakes. Number 4 publishing the story into its intended format, for example brochure, poster or booklet. Drafting is a getting ideas from researching newspapers, books and the internets, and planning about the story flow using in a mind map or a story map. Writing, drafting the story into a paragraphs for the beginning, middle and end of the story, and rewriting to improve the story flow. These instructions you follow when you write a paragraph about any topic or anything. From page number 152, review. What did you learn? Tick. Some English words are borrowed words that have root words in Greek and Latin. You also read this definition about borrowed word. So tick from the relative box. Write ing verbs that contain the letter R. Referring, deferring, occurring, deterring, inferring and concurring. Dear student, in the last, from page number 152, project work is your creative work. You can write with the presence of your parents, guardians or tuition teacher or tutor. You can write an unexpected interruption. You have any idea which you want in unexpected interruption. Here are some ideas. Number 1, late for school, mice attack, measles, misery. One thing writer remember to follow the writing process: drafting, writing, editing and publishing. From the page number 151, follow these instructions which gives the writer. Page number 151. Dear student, write the creative work on your notebooks with the presence of your parents or tuition teacher or a tutor. I hope you are all understand very well. Wassalam.